This is a Toy Story 3 Mr. Potato Head. It's some sort of collaboration between Hasbro and Thinkway Toys. These are probably the best potato heads you'll ever buy, but they are very expensive on the second-hand market now. Being over 10 years old, when you start looking for them on the internet, these can go around sort of £300. They're a lot of money for what they are, but you can sort of see why. So this is one that's fully working, and
I'm Mr. Potato Head. What's it to you?
You can press the buttons on his top. You can make his features pop by pressing a button on the back. This one here is actually broken. They all suffer the same fate, and the gears break up internally. And if I just...
I'm Mr. Potato Head. What's it to you? Could I get some help over here? Yeah. Just make sure I don't fall to pieces.
These always pack up, and sadly the gears strip internally. To date, I've not really seen anybody who's been able to fix them. There's been plenty of attempts, and they don't seem to last. So if you're looking at buying one, buy one that works. Make sure it's tested. They are just literally parts only if they get to that point of packing up. Now this one, if I just show you the button on the back, we can press him.
Hey, look, I'm Picasso.
And he ejects all his pieces. So it's quite cool. It's a very cool toy. It's very collectible, but it's also very expensive.